Hello guys, welcome to Spirotech 365. Today I am going to show you how to take screenshot in Adobe Premiere Pro and to import the screenshot into the project. So let's start. First of all, we have imported our video into the project panel and then we'll create a sequence from this. After that, suppose we want to create a screenshot of this frame. So if you click here, you can take the screenshot of this frame, or if you do not find the button here, you can add the button from here and drag the button to here, just like this. Okay, so now we'll take the screenshot of this frame and we can change the name and we can change the format also, JPG, PNG. Suppose we'll change the format to PNG and we can change the path where it will be saved. Suppose text of 5, folder 5, and you can change the folder where it will be saved. And if you click here, import to the project, it will be import to the project. Here you can see our screenshot of the image. It has been imported into the project panel and we can insert this into the timeline. If you turn off the toggle output track, you can change the duration also. So that's it for today. If you love and learn from our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.